morning market, only locals, not a single Westerner in sight. So we're gonna check it out. Prices are probably gonna be a bit lower than we're used to, so let's see what they have. People are looking at us like, why are you awake this early? All the Western people are still sleeping. Yeah, we don't drink alcohol, so that's a big plus. You can wake up early. Picking out some mangoes, see which ones are good. Good price, so
super ripe.
Yeah. Anybody in sight? Just over €1, so for a kilo of good mangoes, that's a fair price, I think. I already scored some mangoes. Let's see what else they have. We're at the famous Pai Canyon, and here you can see we're the first ones here. Completely empty. Yesterday we arrived in the afternoon and it was packed with motorbikes. All the tourists were over here, so we came early in the morning, so we're the only ones.
Now it's time to see the canyons.
Danger. Let's see how dangerous it is. First, I have a little walk uphill. Big stairs. You see? Safety first. So it was a nice little walk uphill. We're at the top of the canyon. And you can see we have a great 360 view all around. as far as safety goes, tiny little rope was the only thing, because these canyons are totally free of any kind of safety measures. So we're gonna have to be careful, especially since we're the only ones here. No one's here to help. So let's be careful. You see big drops on both sides, but the view is amazing. Okay, here we have the first obstacle. Let's see how we're gonna do this. A bit of balance. That's it. Now let's try to get up here. Oh, there we go. Didn't even have to use my hands. Okay, your turn. Yeah, so for anyone planning on visiting Pai Canyon, come early in the morning. Don't even have to come really early. It's already past 8 o'clock, so good, sun's coming up. It's warming up already. So I think this is the best time. Monday morning, 8 o'clock. So I think this is one of the more advanced parts of the canyon. It's a lot steeper, a bit more slippery, but still manageable if you're just being careful enough. But I think we almost made it to the top. Still nobody around. You can see the entrance over there, and I still don't see anybody coming up. So I think they're still sleeping. And yes, I think I have reached the top. I think this actually is the highest point. Top of the canyon. I made it. So, we're just gonna explore a bit more and then head back to our motorbike, see what else there is to do. Catch you later. We're going up to the White Buddha. You can see up there, all the way to the top. Just a few more steps to go. So I'm about halfway to the top. Decided to put on my long sleeve. There's signs down there that say you need to dress politely. So I didn't feel very respectful going up there in just a tank top, but it's hot. I think it's 35 degrees. And look at this view. You can see the old town of Pai. We're not there yet, so a little bit to go. It's sweaty. Red Buddha. Looking over Pai. It's a pretty short walk, but as I said, really hot. Okay, we just had some breakfast. This delicious Jain Buddhist place. And now it's time to head back to Chiang Mai. Only a 4-hour drive with our motorbike. So it's time to leave Pai and see what the road brings us.